Let her do it. I know it takes patience.
Can't do this.
What's inside that box?
Not use. It's Verity's turn. Oh, we gotta get the...
There's a lot of tape.
Oh, you're really back there.
Oh. Not shoes.
It's not shoes.
It's baby Shelly.
Yeah, baby Shelly.
Baby Shelly comes out. Baby Shelly comes out.
What do you think of that, Verity? Did I get a little dance move?
It's called a baby jelly.
Shelly. The baby is
That's the baby's name.
Shelly Carly.
Yeah, do you like your baby?
We're gonna get in the box with it. You can pull her out too.
Or you can get in with her.
I mean, this looks very good. Sassy.
What are you doing, Verity?